Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to find the value of trigonometric ratio of the standard angle. Standard angle we consider as 0, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 45 degree. That's listed. So how to find the value? Suppose if we have one triangle, one equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle, if I will draw this line, this height. Now, sides of the equilateral triangles we are taking as A. So this will be my A by 2, this will be my A by 2, this portion only. And what will be the height of the equilateral triangle? Many of you know, but still if you don't know, x square plus a square by 4 using Pythagoras theorem, because this will be 90 degree equals to a square by 4. So x square equals to a square minus a square by 4, it is 3a square by 4. So x will be equals to root 3a by 2. So this side x will be root 3a by 2. This x equals to, instead of this x we can write this root 3a by 2. Okay, so now in equilateral triangle we know these angles are known as 60 degree and these angles are known as 30 degree, because this line height will divide this. Now if we need to find out the value of trigonometric ratio of 30 and 60, we can do it from this triangle. What will be sine 60? For sine 60, just check. For angle 60, this will be my adjacent side, this will be my opposite side, and this will be my hypotenuse, right? So sine 60 will be root 3a by 2 divided by a, that is root 3 by 2, right? So I am going to show you only the value of sine, cos, tan, and you can find out the another one as it is. So cos 60 will be, just check, it will be adjacent side by this, so a by 2 divided by a, that is a by 2 divided by a, which is equals to half, and tan 60 will be equals to root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, which is equals to root 3 only. Now the same triangle I can use to find out 30. So sine 30, what will be sine 30? Just check, that will be, that for 30 this will be my adjacent side and this will be my opposite side, right? So sine 30 will be a by 2 divided by a by 2 divided by a, which is equals to half. Cos 30 will be, adjacent side is root 3a by 2, so cos 30 will be root 3a by 2 divided by a, which is equals to root 3 by 2 only, and tan 30 will be equals to, just check, tan 30 will be 1 divided by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, answer is 1 divided by root 3. So from this triangle you can find out the value of 30, 60 and 90. Right? Now, how to find out the value of 45 degree angles? So for the 45 degree angles, what we are going to do, I am going to draw one right angle triangle, not only right angle triangle, one isosceles right angle triangle. So what will happen in isosceles right angle triangle? Isosceles right angle triangle, except the hypotenuse, other two sides are equal, right? So as other two sides are equal, if I take this as a, this as a, then this side will be root over of a square plus a square. Root over of 2a square, so it will be root 2 into a. So as this is 90 degree and these two sides are equal, what will be this angle? That will be 45 degree, right? So what will be sine 45 now? Just check, sine 45 from this triangle will be this side. For 45 degree angle, this is opposite side, this is my adjacent side, right? So it will be a divided by root 2 into a, so it will be 1 divided by root 2, and cos 45 is equals to same thing, a divided by root 2 into a, so 1 divided by root 2, and tan 45 is equals to 1 divided by root 2 divided by 1 divided by root 2, which is equals to 1. Now how to find out the value of 0 and 90 degree? Because in a triangle, in a right angle, if I have to create a right angle triangle with angle 0, just check, so these two sides will coincide. So for that thing, what I am going to imagine, one unit circle I am going to imagine. Later part, this will help you a lot. So in unit circle, if I will draw these two sides, 1 minute, so if these two sides I will draw, so that time, what is the unit circle? Unit circle means the circle whose radius is 1 unit. So as radius is 1 unit, so I can just take this side, 1 minute. So if I take this side as 1 unit, So what will be the value of trigonometric ratio from this triangle? Just check. So this is, if this is theta, this is, if this quadrant is x comma y, as I said, this is a unit circle, so this will be 1. So from the coordinate geometry, can we say this is x and this will be y? So can we say that sine theta is equals to y divided by 1, it is y, and cos theta equals to x divided by 1, which is equals to x. From the unit circle, can we just write that when theta will be 0? Just check how this theta is becoming 0. If I will make theta is 0, the sides, just check, the value of x for this theta is decreasing. The value of x is increasing, value of y is decreasing, right? So further, if I will decrease theta, just check, further the value of x will increase, y will decrease. So when theta will be 0 degree, do you agree? That time the value of this x will be equals to 1. So when theta is equals to 0 degree, the value of x will be equals to 1, hence cos theta is 1. And that time what will be y? Y will live in, that means y is 0. So value of sine theta is equals to 0, for theta equals to 0. That is the value of cos 0 and sine 0, and further values will follow, right? Now if theta will increase, from here if theta will increase further, then value of x is increasing. Sorry, x is decreasing, y is increasing. Now when theta will be equals to 90 degree, that time this y will be equals to the radius of the circle, it is equals to 1, and x is 0. So for theta is equals to 90 degree, y will be equals to the radius of the circle, so sine 90 is equals to 1, as cos 90 is equals to 0, and further values will follow. Now how to remember these values? Just check. Sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec, sec. How to remember this table? 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. First I am going to learn the simple things 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All of you know this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So I am going to divide them by 4. If I divide them by 4, I will get this value, and then I am going to take out their root. What is 0 by 4 ka root? That is 0 only. So that's the value of sine 0. 1 by 4 ka root, that is 1 divided by 2, right? 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. If I take the root of this, that will be 1 divided by root 2. Root of 3 by 4, that is root 3 by 2. And root of 4 by 4, that is 1, that is the value of, these are the values of sine. Now when I get the value of sine, the value of cos, I am just going to write in the opposite direction. Why? I am going to explain. Value of tan, I will divide the value of sine and cos. If I do this, 0 by 1, that is 0. This by this, 1 divided by root 3. This will be 1, this will be root 3. 1 divided by 0, that will be undefined. Value of cot, that is the reciprocal of tan. Reciprocal of 0, that is undefined. Or you can just remember value of cot is just the opposite direction of tan. This will be root 3, this will be 1, this will be 1 divided by root 3, this will be 0. So value of cosec, that is the reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal of 0, that is undefined, right? Reciprocal of 1 divided by root 2, 2. This is root 2. This is 2 divided by root 3. This is 1. Value of sec, this will be again the opposite direction of cosec. That is 1, 2 divided by root 3, root 2, 2, undefined. So why these things are coming, this opposite direction thing? If you remember, the complementary angle, sine was complementary angle of cos. Now check, what is the complementary angle of 0? That is 1. What is the, sorry, I just made the wrong thing. What is the complementary angle of this 0? That is this 90 degree, right? What is the complementary angle of 30? That is this 60. And complementary angle of 45 is 45 himself only, right? So whenever the value of sines I am getting, if I write it in the opposite direction, the sine 90 is becoming cos 0. Sine 60 is becoming cos 30. So further just check, again we had the complementary ratio of tan and cot. Same thing we are getting, right? And cosec and sec, we are also getting the same thing, right? So I hope from this you will remember how to find out the trigonometric value. I also taught you how to find out by geometrical way. That's it. I am going to solve a couple of sums later on. Thank you.